Ahoy hoy. This is my third bike ride of the day. Very busy on this Wednesday after, well, evening now. It's almost 6 p.m. It already is. But yeah, I had to hit the post office because I had 2 sales. Then I had to hit the recycling spot to get some money because the eBay sale I had last night, when I went to ship it this morning, the money was gone because instead of processing the order like normal and giving me the money in a few days, I had, since last week, a negative $10 balance from changing all my listings to auctions. So a few of them had listing fees while the rest were free. Not bad for 70 or 75 listings. Only $10, could be worse. I've had it be worse. So yeah, I didn't act quick enough. I wasn't surprised, but since he didn't pay, it ended at like noon, but he didn't pay till like 6 or 7 p.m. and I was super tired yesterday and lazy, so I didn't use those funds to buy the shipping label. So I knew once it said there was no funds available or what the deal was. I was actually happy in a way, since I only had a little over $6 in that bank account, and then like $1.75 in the other one. So now it's a balance of 96 cents, which is all right. It's much more doable. But yeah, it kind of sucks. But I had $11.90. If I would have taken had 2 more cans or more, it would have been better, but whatever. Gives me a little more money. I asked the person if they would pay shipping when I didn't have the money before I left, but then when I came back, I was like, yeah, whatever. Ignore my first message. I got the money. I accidentally forgot to check it. Every like 20 or 30 orders on that eBay store, my bike parts one, listed 20-30 listings, or 10 to 30, and only the one ended up having free shipping, and then I kept forgetting to change it before it got its first bid. But since my phone's been so weird, I kept forgetting to do it. I was just hanging out because I don't know, wasn't actually expecting it to get its bid, I guess, subconsciously, because it's not the first time I've had the item be a auction. It just happened to be they actually wanted it, but instead of doing it for 99 cents like I did last time, I did $1.99, but that doesn't help the shipping. since it'll be like $5 to $6, maybe a little less, since it's just a quill stem. Probably around 10 ounces plus wherever they live for the calculated part, and it's not that big. For the dimension part as well, both are factors, calculation and the box's size. I think it's length or width. No, it's width. I think it's width, but I don't remember. I forget, or I could be mistaken. It could be different between different companies. Damn. Wish I had money though to spare, because the vegan mob that I've been wanting to try out since they opened a couple years ago, they announced last Wednesday that after they, or it might have been Wednesday or Thursday, they sold out on Wednesday, but they mentioned that on their Facebook and Instagram they're going to be here in their food truck for the foreseeable future every Wednesday and Thursday. And they're here now since it's Wednesday, but they're really expensive compared to most places, since it's